Hello friends, in this video I will show how to disable scroll lock in Microsoft Excel. So right click on this bottom bar in Microsoft Excel. You can see this scroll lock is off. So to make it off, click on start, search here OSK on screen keyboard, and here the option to turn on and turn off scroll lock. Just select it to make it on. You can see scroll lock is on. Unselect scroll lock to make it off. Now this is the off, on or off. So this is the way you can enable or disable scroll lock in Microsoft Excel using this on-screen keyboard. Thanks for watching.